Okay, problem 1128. It wants me to evaluate this sum, and that sum is from 1 to infinity of this sum and over here. And again, it looks, doable. And certainly if they ask me to evaluate, the assumption is I can do it. So as always, we go to the whiteboard and we write a solution down, and then we type it up, right? Type it up nice and neat, as opposed to something at the board, which might seem a little bit sloppy. And then we get an answer to it, and the answer I got was this answer over here, all right? So what I'm gonna do is just check Sage, see if they got the same answer, or did I make some mistake? So I'm gonna go to my Sage application. I'm gonna clear the screen. I'm gonna type in reset. I'm gonna say n is a variable. And then I'm gonna type in the sum and as a function. F of n is equal to, well, I'm gonna say 1 divided by n, and then divide by 7 to the n, all right? Let me just go back over the code with you and show it's written over here, all right? The next thing I want to do is the sum and see how it does it. So sum and f of n, and I'm starting at 1. The n is a counter again, and I'm not going to 51, I'm going to infinity. Infinity in Sage, just type in the double O, and that looks like an infinity. Hit return, and we get an answer over here. Wow, that looks crazy. Did I make a mistake? Oh, you know what? I started at 13. I don't want to do that. I start at 1. And we get this minus, the log of 6/7. Let's look at the answer I got. And the answer I got is the natural log of 7 over 6. It's really the same answer. I just brought the -1 up, and you would get 7 over 6. So we're good to go. Thank you.